Check out this crafty way of getting the look of stained glass without having to cut sharp pieces and solder them together, which is pretty hard. This project is easy to do and so cool. It looks especially good in kitchens and dining areas because it uses plates and plate racks, and they look right at home in these rooms. Outside at night, they glow just like real stained glass. And there are so many styles of plate racks to choose from, both new and used. If you'd like to do your own stained glass version, we'll show you how with love for a country house. We found a set of 3 matching plate racks for $40 on Facebook Marketplace, and we found the 6 vintage plates for about the same amount on eBay. But before we went with this classic plate idea, we had a look at glass flowers made from thrifted pieces, and we might try that someday too. There's also a way to dye sublimate stained glass pictures onto cutting boards, but that's way above our skill level. There are many options though, like carnival glass, fused glass, glass shaped like fish, but ultimately, we decided we'd paint our own stained glass using Indiana glass plates and Pibijo Vitrail, which is the top-of-the-line glass paint. And we love this craft so much, we're doing a video on just painting vintage glass pieces, so don't miss that. The craft is as much fun as a coloring book because the patterns are right there on the glass, ready for you to follow. But getting back to the plate racks, the first thing we did was paint our brass racks a medium gray to look more like lead. And the racks were a bit taller than our large windows, so they overlap the window frame on the inside, and they tuck in behind our cafe curtains below. You can see the decorative shapes right through the curtain. And this works like stained glass because your eyes will tend to look at the metal in the glass and not so much at how close or how far away it is from the window. But it's possible that a rack like this could fit right up against the glass in certain windows too. Both ways can be seen from outside, day or night. And we also put a piece of wood on either side of the rack. They don't hold anything, but they draw attention to the design in the middle, and this is optional, but we really like this finished look. To make these, we used shelf edging for about $1 a foot. We painted them white. We cut them to fit the window vertically up against the glass, and we held them in place with small pieces of mounting putty. So both the racks and these fake mullions can come out if the window needs maintenance. So we used cardboard circles in our plate rack so we'd have a good idea where the plates would appear. Then we marked the hanging spot with a pencil, and we put a hook on this spot. Then we used a swiveling hanger like this to hold the plate rack to the hook. And that was it. We love this look, and it'll give us some inspiration as we do the many projects needed to get this old house looking good again. So don't miss the video where we show you how to paint vintage glass and lots of techniques for that, including how we did these plates. Click the sun logo to subscribe. See you later.